Do you have a Febreze plug-in? Is the liquid low in it? Yes. Okay, so if you have one of these things, hold on, I gotta position this. Test, okay. So, if you have one of these things, and you have to like refill the liquid in it, it unclicks like that. This one's full, but I have an empty one. This is what it looks like after it's been used. I think it's been like 2 weeks. I haven't really paid attention, but it's about 2 weeks and it's empty. So you want to fill this puppy up, huh? You want to fill it up? I'm going to fill mine up with Fabuloso. We're going to use that. So, as you can see, it has these, like, 2 little things. I already loosened them with pliers. Yeah, you just gotta, like, pop it off. Okay, so now we're gonna fill this up. Ah, fuck. It looks great. Hold on a second, I gotta get paper towel. Shove it in there. And that's it. That's how you fill it up. You like that? Frick.